Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a wireless meat thermometer. It comes with a nice little packaging. That one there, and wireless meat thermometer. It has a quick guide book here. So this is gonna explain how to do it to download the app. Thankfully, I have my iPad here. Hopefully it's gonna connect. I've had some issues with my iPad here, even getting on the internet, but let's see if I can do this here. It says App Store. Oh. So it has this app here called BBQOVN. Okay, but as it's installing, I'll show you guys all the stuff here. What is this? This is, I guess, wrapping paper. This is weird. Why would it come with this? But okay, let's check out the device and all the stuff it comes with. So it has, this is the little device here. So you can see it comes like that. Attention, always insert probe into meat past this notch to avoid damage. Okay, and then this is the charging base for it. And here is, just for you, a little ribbon that it comes with. It comes with a lot of decorative items here. And then here's the charger for it. So the little base will charge with this. It's a nice wooden base, and then go to USB. You can see it's flashing. It must be connecting here. But let's see, my device is open here. So let's see. I guess I'm going to have to sign up. It's either got login or sign up. So let me sign up here real quick. Let's see. Okay, password. Okay, it says registered successfully. Okay, so I am logged in now, and now it says, which device do I have? Which one is it? Does it say? Let me see. I'm not sure. They all look the same. Barbecue Mini 01, 03, 04. It's definitely not 4. It's funny that I can't tell which device I currently have. Let me see. Well, I'll just try. Oh, you can tell by how it looks, I guess. Well, this one looks like this one and this one, the Mini and the Barbecue 03. We'll try Barbecue 03. Please confirm that the Barbecue 03 image matches. What does this one look like? That one has a point. What does this one have? Boy, it's so hard to know. Well, I'll just try the Barbecue 03, and we'll say okay. Okay. And then I agree. Temperature sensor. Next. Press and hold the button on the front of the booster. If the red light is on or off the booster. Okay, I have to put it back in here, I guess. Press and hold the button on the front of the booster. If the red light is on or off, the booster needs to be charged. If the green light is solid, it means the battery is sufficient. It is flashing red. I think it needs to be charged, but we'll try anyway. We'll just give this stuff here, Bluetooth, allow. We'll allow notifications. Automatic pairing. Okay, take out the probe. When the LED flashes green, I don't know what color it's. Oh, I'm colorblind, so that's why I can't tell these colors, but let's see. Maybe it's flashing. Oh, it says it found it. Okay, so it did find it. And then let's get started. So here we go. Sorry, I'm gonna close up this warranty screen. Okay, so right now it says it's at 75.6, and we'll see 75.2. If I put my hand on it, you can see it's going up. We're at 84, 86. That's really cool. So it's a remote one. Setting it up was a little bit of a challenge. I'm already 5 minutes into this video almost, so it took about 5 minutes to get it set up. But now it's set up and it's working, and I'm getting my temperature. I'm at 91 degrees. I could set a target temperature, and then it would probably beep when I got there. But how cool is that? It's a nice little thing to have this to be able to set it. So that's really nice. And now I've got myself a wireless thermometer. So this would be good for, I cook a lot of chicken and stuff and everything. So I'll be able to have my temperature checked, and it just kind of tells you, make sure you put this in as far as this paper is. So I'll have to take that off. But really cool. And then it just charges itself up from here. This has battery in it, obviously, and it's connected all through. So really cool. It looks like it's got magnets on it. Let me just try. Ah, it does. I don't know if you guys can see here. I have it magnetized on my refrigerator. It just sticks on, so I can leave it on my fridge. Really cool. Nice little device. And if you're going to give it as a gift, it comes with its own, oops, sorry, I moved away. If you're going to give it, it comes with its own little wrapping paper and ribbon as well. So cool. I like this one. Thumbs up for sure. Very cool.